All night with a banger.
I've been fighting since the beginning. I've been growing, and I'm winning. You had to see it, to believe it. I'm a champion, I'm a winner, yeah.
They put me in the game, coach, I'm ready to win. No weapon formed against me, never prosper me again. I'm going all in, cause I know that I'm gonna win. Do it like a champion from start to the end. Head to the sky, it's the reason I survive. The passion that's inside, keep me focused on the prize. Look me in my eyes, see the truth, no lie. I'm a certified G, I was born for this ride. Heaven keep me close, whole world in the mask. Enemies in disguise, pray I help them come alive. I ain't never seen this kind, do it real as I get back to my folk and never looking for a dime. It's all man over matter, I don't mind, so I'm fine. Winding down my lady, she a blessing in disguise. Pray for this position so I finally see the time. I pray for this position now, I finally see the time.
I've been fighting since the beginning. I've been growing, and I'm winning. You had to see it, to believe it. I'm a champion, I'm a winner, yeah.
Back on my grizzly, motivated to myself. So myself, I'm important, going harder this year. Do it with no fear, negativity out of here. Don't you try come near, I left the past in the rear. Ain't no looking back, I got a promise on my back. Amazed in myself, I get it's everything I got. 20 deals on the table, that's $1 million every pop. From the school of hard knock, graduated at the top. Thank God I ain't flop, made me everything I am. Everything I touch, just gon' run my profit up. Finally got myself in touch with myself, now it's up. When no matter what, took my foot off the clutch. Stopping out of option till the master call me up.
Since the beginning, I've been growing, and I'm winning. You had to see it, to believe it. I'm a champion, I'm a winner, yeah.
Gon' be the best days of my life. These gon' be the best days of my life. I put away the worst days of my life. These gon' be the best days of my life.